Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a refreshing and effective way to elevate your skincare routine DIY ice cubes. Not only are they easy to make, but they also offer a host of benefits for your skin. Here are 6 amazing DIY ice cubes you can create at home, each with unique properties to help you achieve that natural glow. 1. Green tea ice cubes. Green tea is renowned for its antioxidant properties, which help combat signs of aging and reduce inflammation. To make green tea ice cubes, simply brew a strong cup of green tea, let it cool, and pour it into an ice cube tray. Once frozen, rub a cube over your face to reduce puffiness, calm redness, and give your skin a fresh, rejuvenated look. 2. Cucumber and mint ice cubes. Cucumber and mint are a perfect duo for soothing and hydrating the skin. Blend a cucumber with a handful of fresh mint leaves, strain the mixture, and freeze the juice. These ice cubes are excellent for cooling down the skin, reducing dark circles, and providing a burst of hydration. Use them in the morning for an instant wake-up call for your skin. 3. Aloe vera ice cubes. Aloe vera is a powerhouse ingredient known for its healing and moisturizing properties. Scoop out fresh aloe vera gel and blend it until smooth. Pour the gel into an ice cube tray and freeze. Aloe vera ice cubes are perfect for soothing sunburns, calming irritated skin, and adding a layer of hydration. They are also great after a long day in the sun. 4. Rose water ice cubes. Rose water is a gentle and fragrant ingredient that helps to balance the skin's pH levels, reduce redness, and tighten pores. Simply pour rose water into an ice cube tray and freeze. Use these cubes to tone your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and smelling delightful. They are especially beneficial for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. 5. Lemon juice ice cubes. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C and has natural astringent properties. Mix equal parts of lemon juice and water, then freeze. These ice cubes help to brighten the skin, fade dark spots, and control excess oil. Be sure to use them sparingly and avoid direct sunlight afterward, as lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. 6. Milk and honey ice cubes. Milk and honey together create a luxurious treat for your skin. Mix equal parts milk and honey, then freeze. These ice cubes are great for softening and nourishing the skin, providing a gentle exfoliation and leaving your complexion looking radiant. They are perfect for a pampering self-care session. Incorporating these DIY ice cubes into your skincare routine is a simple yet effective way to harness the power of natural ingredients. Give them a try and watch your skin transform. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Glam and Glow Organically for more tips on achieving beautiful, healthy skin naturally.